go. You get it, Alex.
Okay, spread out, guys. Let anyone from you.
Icing. Pressure, Chris.
Where's our defense afraid?
2 hands, boys. Come on.
See how far our defense can go?
Mm-hmm.
When we were in Arizona. Doing exactly the opposite of what I said. Somebody's got to be shooting up the ice.
Don't.
You're better than me.
There he goes. Oh, almost got it.
Go, Greg, go! Shoot!
There you go.
Shoot up the ice!
Almost. Ooh, look who's captain today. Come on, Ben! Back check, Ben! Ben, come on! Go! Go, 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 go! Oh! Damn! Good try. That was a good play.
That puck, we need it.
There you go. He's out. Offsides. Oh, wow, he just pushed him out of the way. Holy crow. Come on, battle. Go, Justin. There you go. There you go. Where you stay on your feet, Joey? Good, good. Get her on net. There you go. Oh, right there. Boom! Yeah! Nice shot! Benny Hewitson.
That was a sweet shot.
Good job, Ben. Pretty sure that was Ben.
It was 10. That's 10.
Okay, Benny Hewitson.
Come on, Raph, step up.
Gotta get it out. There you go. Go, Alex.
Go, go, go. You got it. Get the shot off. Somebody go to the net.
Careful. Yowza. Oh, who wants it? Who wants it?
Get on that wall, Joey. Don't run away. Don't turn it back. Go. Don't turn it back.
Smart move, smart move. Up, up, up! There you go. Good, smart. Good job. That's the way to get out of the zone, boys. Rip it! Oh, bumbling!
That's a shot.
Yeah, got it on net. Good job, boys. That's the way to turn it around. Don't give up. Halfway through the second period, got plenty of game left.
That's a nice slam shot.
Yeah, it was a great shot. Give him a little boost in confidence, right? It's a nice rip from the point. Get it, Ben. Dig it out. Get up, get up, get up. Ah. You gotta catch him, Ben. You gotta catch him.
Good. Keep him pinched. Keep him pinched. Get up.
Just stick on the ice.
Oh, we have nobody there.
You got him. Go, Ben. Go. Dig deep, Benny. Good dish.
That's you, Greg.
Get it, Greg. Come on. Oh, so close. You've got to get that. With a battle. Oh.
They ran into each other.
Whoopsie.
Go hard, Greg.
Smart,
go
Ben.
hard.
Ben. Oh, Ben. Oh, you lucky. He had Gregory wide open. You guys gotta learn to look up.
Oh, he's gonna beat you to the puck. You're not going fast.
Come on, Greg. That's the way to battle, Greg. Get it out. Out. Ugh. Out. There you go. There you go. Nice puck movement.
Why do you say the ice?
Okay.
Get over on that wall.
Good job. Way to pick the pocket.
Somebody move that up the ice.
Come on, you gotta get him. Get him.
That's up.
Oh, jeez. Wow. Peyton had no idea where it was. Oh, there it is.
That's tough. You got rocked.
Yeah. Come on, Peyton, stay strong, bud. We need you strong. Plenty of hockey left, boys. Come on. Go get that. Dig.
You had a lot of chances to. You were like just a whole step away on a lot of this stuff.
Come on, get into the corner.
3-on-1 in the corner, guys. Stay spread out.
There you go, Gib.
Use your speed.
Come on, Justin. Put the move on him, bud.
It was a good move.
Yeah. Nice try. Put the goalie out.
Almost put Gibber out. He went in backwards.
Oh, did he?
Yeah,
Did he go in? I didn't see
He
it.
turned around and had too much momentum. I don't know if the guy hit him or not.
Come on. There you go.
Get it up.
Nice pressure, Mr. D'Amelio. Uh-oh.
That's you. You got him, Frags.
But when he does that, someone's got to play defense. Ugh. Don't. Did it again.
Who is that?
Jason. Isn't? Yep. That's the way you do it right there. Out.
Both hands.
This kid cycled that puck well. Relentless.
You got us figured out. Okay, now look.
There you go.
Soft ball.
Fast game.
Great, Joey. He's coming hard. Kind of a blind pass.
That's what we're trying not to do.
Dick was playing the guy.
Look, you had another wide open winger. God darn it. Come on. Look up.
Get in there.
Behind you. Go. Get that puck.
Go. Let's keep the zone this time, guys. Oh, that's that's the blue line. It's ours. Go. Nobody else is going, Greg. Take it. Some open ice! Back out, Joey!
There it is. Good pass, Greg. Good pass. Shoot! Oh.
Stand up!
Get up, get up! Get up, get up! Good rocket, though. That was a nice slapper.
That's icing.
Yep.
There it is.
Nice slap shot by...
2 shots on that.
Yeah.
That was good.
I think that was Joey. He ripped that thing. Who was that Ben again? I can't tell.
10-10.
And 10.
He's got red tape today.
What's that?
He's got red tape today.
Ah, it's the tape.
At least we looked and tried to get a decent pass into the net. Instead of this blind...
There you go. Come on. Come on. Yes. Oh. Where's our D? Come on. There you go. Good. Get him, Maddie.
Yours, Giller.
Oh.
Jeez, pass it in front of that guy.
He tried. Dig, dig, dig. Who's got that? Nice job.
No, we got 3 guys there. Somebody...
Come on, battle. That stick on the ice.
We had nobody on the right side, 2 on the left.
Come on, pick the pocket. 38 seconds. Come on, boys. Come on, battle.
Why didn't people follow that?
I don't know. Oh, there it is. There it is.
There it is. Look.
Good pop out. Good. Look it. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, you got to keep that. Hold the puck. 15 seconds. Look. Back. There you go. There you go. Good job. Oh. 2, 1.